Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone. Today I would like to presentation about Pechacucha. This is the country exploring Italy. So, without any further ado, let's start to the next slide. So, this is the first slides that I put on my slide. That is country image. In Italy, there are area 1,340 square kilometers, and the capital city is Rome. Population about 59 million. And the language used is Italian. And this is the national flag of Italian. This is green in the left side, and then white in the mid, and red on the right side. And then this is Italian Parliamentary Republic. It has a president as head of state and a prime minister as head of government. And the parliament makes the laws, and in Italy there is no king or queen. And then this is Sergio Mattarella is the president as a president of Italian. And then this is the history of Italy's history start with the Romans, become famous during the Iranians, unified in the 18,000 and become a republic in 1946. Today is known for art, food, and culture. The currency of Italy Italy first currency was the lira, used from the formation of the Kingdom of Italy in 1890 until 2002. Before Italy unification, each region had its own currency. In 2002, Italy switched to the euro after joining Eurozone with conversion rate of €1 is 1,936.27 lira. National anthem is Il Canto degli Italiani, also known as Fratelli d'Italia. This song was written by Goffredo Mameli with music composed by Michael Novaro. This is the culture of Italy. Italy, the heart of ancient Rome, still showcase its legacy through stunning architecture and classical art. And typical of food, Italy culture is an important and beloved part of the country. Identity isn't just about eating; it's about tradition, family, and enjoying life through food. Here's short explanation of the culture of food in Italy. And this is pasta, and then pizza, and this dessert is tiramisu. And the next slide is tourism place in Italy. Italy have a lot of tourism place, but I just put 4 tourism place in on my slide. The first is Tower of Pisa. This is I thought all people here is famous with Tower of Pisa. And then this is Venice. This is like a lake, and then it's like a lake, and then Colosseum Roma, and then the last is Firenze. Next is university in Italy. the first university di Bologna, Scuola Normale Superiore de Pisa, and then La Sapienza Universitas di Roma. And this is a famous product in Italy. The first is Lamborghini and Ferrari. So I just put on my slide is the famous product in Italy, one of the most famous product in Italy. And then movie in Italy, this is Pinocchio. Why I put in Pinocchio the movie in Italy, because Pinocchio is one of the famous movie in Italy, because the story of Pinocchio comes from Italian novel by Carlo Collodi, has been adapted into many films and cartoons, including the famous Disney version. And it's this public figure. I just put two football player and two singer. The verse is Buffon, Maldini, and they're both is football player, and Andre Bocelli is a singer, and Laura Pausini also is the singer. And for the public transportation, the people usually using for transportation is bus. And then the weather or season, Italy has a 4 season in their country. The first is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And then the famous sport in Italian is football. One of the most famous sport in Italian is football, because football is the most popular sport in Italy. Major clubs like Juventus, AC Milan, Inter Milan, and come from the country. The Italian national team has also won the World Cup several times. And this is the typical animals that I just put 3 on my slide. There is wolf, dolphin, and bear. Okay, thank you for you guys watch my video about Pecah Kucha presentation, and why I choose this country, Italian, because I like the culture of Italian, like architecture and their history, and also I liked his football team from the sport. And the last is I like the typical food of Italian, and I think that's it. Thank you for you guys watching my Pecah Kucha presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.